Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shahime bin Muhammad Azmi. Today I will be presenting my engineering drawing project, where I will share what I've learned using Autocad and how I apply it to my design work. Okay, so let's start with introduction first. So AutoCAD is a design software developed by Autodesk. It helps us to create precise 2D drawing and 3D models, making the design process faster and more accurate compared to manual drafting. Okay, so as you can see, this is a AutoCAD interface. Here we can find tools for drawing, modifying, adding text, managing layer, and more. Everything is organized to make the design process easier. So this is how AutoCAD works. AutoCAD works with a coordinate system, so every drawing is based on X and Y position. We use command like copy, move, rotate, and mirror to edit object, and layer to manage different part of a drawing. So this is a 2D commands. Chamfer create angles, corner fillet makes rounded edge, copy duplicate object, and mirror reflect them across an axis. So for the second 2D command, which change the size of object, extend, which language, line, join, which connect segment, and array, which repeat object in a pattern. So in 3D modeling, we use solid shape like box, cylinders, cones, spheres, and wedge. We also combine or subtract them using Boolean operation to create more complex design. Here are examples of 3D objects. We can see a prism, a cylinder, and a cone, each with dimension that show how they are defined in AutoCAD. The extrude command lets us take a 2D shape and push it into the Z direction, turning it into a 3D solid. This is one of the most common way to build 3D models. For the next is press pull. Press pull is another 3D command. It allows us to pull boundaries into a 3D or cut hole inside objects, which is useful for creating opening or hollow part. And for benefit, AutoCAD has many benefits. It improves accuracy, save time, make editing, and support both 2D and 3D design work, which is why it widely used in engineering and architect. So this is my project where I apply AutoCAD to design automotive suspension component. I will show you each part and explain how they fit together. So on the first slide this is the lower mount. The drawing showed the dimension clearly, and the 3D models help us visualize how it looks in real life. Here is the MacPherson strut. An important suspension part that combines a shock absorber and coil spring, and the CAD drawing show its detailed measurement. This is the coil spring. The 3D model and technical drawing show its height, diameter, and how it fit into the suspension system. And this is the top mount. It has a central hole and side hole for mounting, and the drawing show its exact dimension for manufacturing. For the next, here is the head flange nut. is a fastening part and the orthographic view show its size and shape from different angles. This is assembly drawing combine all the part into one complete suspension system. It shows how each component connect and works together. In conclusion, AutoCAD is very important tool for engineering and designers. It helps us create accurate, efficient, and professional drawing for both 2D and 3D projection. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you will enjoy my presentation.